Developmental, fundamental movements, a basic building block to help teach you and everyone how to coordinate movements properly. We forget how to do that. When we were babies, we moved effortlessly, very naturally, and that's why we should try to move right now. And so we truly want to go back to basics. If we really want to go back to basics, then we need to go back to crawling. Crawling, yes, but don't shit your pants. So I'm going to come into a cat position. I'm going to back up just a little bit and think of, I'm going to draw a rectangle here, okay? Now, the last video, which you should have watched, which you probably felt was a little bit boring, was just stepping with hand, opposite knee. Now we're going to actually do it. So I have to really think about this. I'm going to step forward with my right hand and my left knee. Then my left hand, my right knee. So right hand, left knee, left hand, right knee. And I'm just going to crawl forward, just like this. When I get to the top end of this rectangle, I'm going to go sideways. Okay? This is fairly easy. This is the most difficult part, backwards. Now, babies always lead with the eyes. So you're going to look back, push back, look to the left, push back. Look to the right, push back. Now, I'm using this opposing hand to push backwards to the right. Look back to the left, push with the right hand. Okay? I get to the end of the rectangle, I go sideways again. Then, opposing hand, opposing knee. Opposing hand, opposing knee. Then, sideways. Leading with the eyes. Now, if I look to the right, push back with the left hand, right knee goes back. Look to the left, push with the right hand, left knee goes back. Just watch babies. If you're unsure, watch baby videos. And then I can switch directions. Then I'll go forward again, to the side, okay? Look back to the left, look back to the right. The backwards part may take you a while, okay? That's it. Developmental baby movements.